Watch this video if you want your channel to blow up. Hey guys, what is up? It's Cassie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna lay it all out here. I am extremely bad at coming up with YouTube video ideas. It makes me unreasonably stressed trying to come up with them, and it's kind of frustrating. So if you're like me in that way, this video is definitely gonna help you out. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a ton of video ideas, basically enough videos to last your channel like 1 to 2 years, if not more than that. So I got you set for a long time. This video is gonna be a pretty chill video. I was gonna like get an outfit out and everything, but then this sweatshirt was just way too comfortable. So we're just gonna pretend that you're on FaceTime with one of your YouTube friends and I'm helping you come up with ideas. The first idea is trying out celebrities' routines or diets. So basically just look up your favorite celebrity and what their routine is and then just follow that. Number 2 is pulling an all-nighter challenge. Those usually get so many views. Number 3 has been a trend recently and it's waking up at 5 a.m. for a week. The next one is kind of the opposite of that and it's going to sleep really early. So trying to go to sleep at like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. for a week. The next one is how to go to sleep fast. Recreating celebrities' iconic photos or outfits. Showing people an easy, natural makeup look. Testing TikTok life hacks. Testing products that you've seen on TikTok. A school morning routine, a school night routine. As basic as those videos are, they always seem to do well on people's channels, so definitely give them a try. How to get ready for school fast. How to be a morning person. Switching morning routines with a guy friend or just a best friend in general. Guy friends choose your outfits for a week. Your family chooses your outfits for a week. Small YouTuber friends decide what you do in a day. You could do a video of you transforming into different types of aesthetics. So whether this is like the indie aesthetic, the e-girl aesthetic, any other aesthetic that I can't seem to name right now. How to be aesthetic in general. How to decide what your specific aesthetic is or what the name of it is. Doing a Pinterest board tour. Honestly, that sounds like so much fun and I've not seen anybody do that. Recreating Pinterest outfits. A what's on my iPhone video. Again, this video always seems to do well and I don't really understand why because I personally don't like watching them, but a lot of people do, so go show people what's on your phone. How to make your phone aesthetic with the iOS 14 widgets. A room transformation video, and then after that you can do a room tour. Room decor DIYs. This is the only DIY video idea I'm leaving in here. If you're a DIY channel, that's amazing. I just feel like DIYs are kind of dead on YouTube a little bit, so that's why I'm not including a bunch of DIY themed ideas. Upcycling your old clothes for a video. A go thrifting with me video. A cleaning out my closet video. I love watching those videos. They're so satisfying. Trying on everything in your closet. Testing out Starbucks drinks. Having your YouTube friends decide what your Starbucks drinks are for a week. A collection video. This could be phone cases, shoes, I don't really know, just like any collection you have. A how to be successful on YouTube in 2021 video. How I edit my videos. This is like my most requested video ever and I just have never done it because I don't really have a reason. I just don't vibe with it. Next one is how to get followers on Instagram. How to go viral on TikTok. We're all wanting our 10 seconds of fame. Trying to go TikTok famous for a week. Trying to become Instagram famous for a week or a month. Trying the billionaire morning routine for a day. Going online shopping and buying your dream wardrobe. A reacting to your assumptions video or an old-fashioned Q&A video, but just a tip, usually reacting to your assumptions video just perform better in general, so maybe keep that in mind. A self-care day with me or a self-care night routine. An extreme 24-hour glow-up challenge. A school or prom or whatever get ready with me. An online school week in my life. Showing people your workout routine, your hair care routine, your skincare routine. A what I eat in a day video. Showing people your playlist, all the songs you jam to and stuff like that. A song cover of you singing a cover of a song. That's pretty self-explanatory. An original song, and if you're really good at writing music, you could do the trying to write a song in 15 minutes challenge. A birthday vlog or a what I got for my birthday if your birthday's coming up. Or a what I got for Christmas video if by chance you're watching this 9 months later and it's Christmas time. how to be consistently happy, how to manifest your dream life, how to be organized, I need help with this one, how to make friends, how to study effectively to get good grades, showing them your study routine, a week in my life during finals week. I feel like this would be a really cool video as long as you don't have like too much on your plate already studying for finals. How I plan and organize my life video, how to reach your goals, showing them your Sunday reset routine, being productive for 24 hours straight challenge, and I kind of want to do this video. I don't know if it's the healthiest thing, but it sounds really fun. Giving a summer bucket list ideas. This doesn't have to be for summer. It could just be for like 2021 in general, or fall, winter, any season pretty much. Spring/summer outfit ideas, or whatever season you're in. I spent 24 hours in my room challenge. It's gonna be really funny, or if you want to make it more difficult, you can do your bathroom or even your closet, whatever you want to do. Or you could even do it outside if you wanted to. Like I stayed in my backyard for 24 hours and just like pitch a tent in your backyard. A travel vlog, a school vlog, a interviewing my classmates on different topics video if you're able to film during school, how to tell if a girl or guy likes you. I feel like this is a very popular video just because I feel like a lot of people struggle with this, including me, but going without social media for a week challenge, or you could just go even further and just go without your phone for a week. Reacting to celebrities' red carpet looks, reacting to your old YouTube videos, dyeing/cutting your hair at home and vlogging it, a my first YouTube paycheck video showing people how to get monetized and how much money you made in a month. We have finally gotten to the last one. It's kind of predictable, but it's this exact video, YouTube video ideas. That has been the most popular video on my channel, so maybe it will for you too. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you should definitely go subscribe down below. No pressure, but we'd love to have you a part of the family. And if you're just wanting more content from me, you should go follow my Instagram at kasikaycorp. I am really active on there and I answer all of my DMs, so if you need any help on YouTube advice and stuff like that, definitely hit me up there. That is all I have left to say, so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!